All right, guys, I know it's been a while. This is Seth Harrison with Harrison's Automotive. I have here with me a 2008 Ford F-450. Just got done doing a power steering gearbox on it. Just kind of wanted to go over it with you. They're not horrible to do. They have their moments. And let's flip the camera around so you can see what I'm dealing with. There's the old gearbox right there. It's only held in with 3 bolts. And it's got 2 lines that go into the top of it. I was trying to get it to roll over so we could see it. Let's take a look here at the truck. So, from the driver's side fender well, get some light. You have these 3 bolts, which even my air impact would not begin to take off because they are Loctited into place. And let me tell you, they are tight. But a good ratchet and a bar, get them started the first couple of threads, and then the air impact would take them off. And after that, the electric impact would also take them off. Taking the inner liner out too is the easiest way to get to these. Through here you can see where the steering wheel bolts or steering arm bolts to the top, and the 2 lines come in, and then down below you have got where it all connects down here. The hardest part of this whole experience has been getting this arm right here off up at the top. That nut right there came off easy peasy with an electric impact. But this arm I had to use, which I am very thankful for the help that I got getting that arm off. Had to use a puller and a torch and a lot of time, but it's done. The new gearbox is back in place, and now I'm getting ready to do something kind of special. I've got a vacuum. You put air over here, and it does a Venturi effect and pulls all the air out of the power steering pump and lines all the way down to the gearbox. And then this, you can see, well, if I can get this sticker off, would probably be easier to see. But then this lets you see whether or not it's holding a vacuum. And if it's holding a vacuum, there we go, I finally got the sticker off, then there's no way that you're going to have any leaks or any air pockets in the system, which means this power steering pump should not whine, shouldn't cry. It will last a lot longer without any aerated any aerated fluid in it, and should help it out. I just thought I'd give y'all a quick video, an update of some stuff we're working on. Got some other things coming in that I'm going to be hoping to make videos of, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.